Welcome. Today, I'm giving you a complete look at Clean Email, a powerful tool to clean and organize your inbox, manage subscriptions, and tackle email overload efficiently. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by email clutter, then this video is for you. Let's dive into Clean Email and see if it lives up to the hype as one of the best email management tools available. Clean Email is an online tool designed to help you manage and organize your emails effectively. It's not a standard email client. Instead, it integrates with your existing email account to filter, delete, archive, and organize your emails in bulk, helping you achieve and maintain a clutter-free inbox. Using features like smart folders, unsubscriber, and automation, it makes inbox management much more efficient and user-friendly. Point one of Clean Email's standout features is its bulk email actions. You can delete, move, or archive hundreds or thousands of emails with just a few clicks. For instance, if you want to clear out old newsletters, Clean Email can automatically locate and delete them based on criteria you set, saving you from having to manually clean up your inbox. Another fantastic tool is the unsubscriber feature, which makes it easy to opt out of those newsletters you never read or didn't even remember subscribing to. With Clean Email, you don't need to hunt for the unsubscribe link at the bottom of every email. This feature consolidates all your subscriptions into one place, so you can unsubscribe from multiple lists in seconds, all with a single click. Now let's talk about the AF Smart Folders, which are automatically created to help organize your emails by category. Clean Email will sort emails into folders like social, finance, or shopping based on the content. This is especially useful for tracking orders or keeping an eye on important emails from family and friends without getting lost in the clutter. For those who are looking for complete automation, Clean Email's Auto Clean feature lets you set up automatic rules. If, for example, you always delete promotional emails from a particular sender, Auto Clean can automatically perform this action on any future emails from that sender without your intervention. It's a time-saving feature for maintaining inbox organization. When it comes to security and privacy, Clean Email takes data protection seriously. All of your email data is protected with advanced encryption protocols, so you can use the service with confidence, knowing your information is secure. Clean Email does not store your emails on its servers, which is a big plus for those concerned about privacy. The service does come with a price tag though. Clean Email offers a free trial, but after that, it's a subscription service. Pricing starts at around $9.99 per month, with discounted rates for annual subscriptions. Although there's a cost involved, many users find the benefits outweigh the price, especially if you receive a high volume of emails. In the middle of this review, I encourage you to check out Clean Email through the link in the video description. This tool can be a game changer for anyone struggling with inbox overload. It's truly the best email manager for tackling email chaos head-on. On the downside, while Clean Email does a lot to simplify inbox management, some users may find that the cost isn't justifiable if they don't receive a large volume of emails. Additionally, it's primarily web-based, with mobile app support only available for certain email providers. Still, Clean Email excels at what it promises, decluttering and organizing your inbox quickly and effectively. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content on the best productivity tools.